Good morning, students. So, in earlier class, we discussed about the single phase semi-control converter paired DC separately excited motor drive, as well as the single phase fully controlled converter paired DC separately excited motor drive in the its first quadrant as well as fourth quadrants. Yes. So, in today's class, we are going to be discussing about the single phase semi-control converter paired DC series motor drive. Yes. So let's go for the single phase semi-control converter paired DC series motor drive. Yes, students. So you see here, this is the single phase semi-control converter paired DC series motor drive. The same drive is going to be operated, but the only variation here is the series motor. So instead of separately excited by series motor. So series motor in the sense the field winding is in series with the armature winding. That is the reason it is the RA plus RF and the LF is for both armature as well as the field. So the whatever may be the operation which is discussed in the separately excited drive. Here also the same thing except the motor. Yes, you can observe here this is the drive circuit and remaining the operation point of view. Yes, so the operation point of view, everything is same except the armature resistance by armature plus field resistance. The principle of operation, everything is same. So we are going to be discussing that aspect. Yes, and similarly in continuous conduction. So here RA is there for series motor, it is RA plus RF remaining as it is, everything is as it is. Even for the average output voltage, everything is to be same to that of the DC separately excited motor. And similarly, the speed. So the average speed equation, the steady state speed equation, all you can consider here. That is also same. Yes. So where RA is there, instead of RA by RA plus RF, remaining all are same. Okay. And finally, the speed torque characteristics you can observe. Here there is a slight variation of the speed torque characteristics from DC separately excited motor to DC series motor. So in separately excited motor, torque is directly proportional to the armature current. That is the reason the characteristics appear. But here, torque is directly proportional to square of the armature current because of it is series motor. So you observe the characteristics, which is a hyperbolic in shape. Yes. So a hyperbolic shape characteristics here are to be obtained. Okay. And then the operation, why it does not supports in the four quadrant. So which will clearly explain about the average output voltage versus alpha characteristic, as well as the motoring and braking operation. So it is a semi-control converter. Here it does not support any kind of operation. Yes, and similarly you can observe here it is fully controlled, single phase fully controlled converter paired DC series motor drive. So the circuit feeding the armature as well as its coordinate operation as shown. So whatever the manner in which the characteristics, the equations, everything is to be derived, they have to be proceed in the same manner for the single phase fully controlled converter paired DC series motor also, because here only the drive has to be changed. Instead of separately excited motor, the series motor will come into picture, but the remaining all are as it is. So that's why we are thoroughly discuss the separately excited motor, and we are taken in the same manner to that of the separately excited drive. Yes. So it is the single phase semi-control converter paired drive, single phase semi-control converter paired DC series motor drive, and single phase fully controlled converter paired DC series motor drive. Both are going to be finished. Yes. So thank you.